Hua Hin is the famous beach resort town in Thailand. It is located in the northern part of Malay Peninsula in Prachuapkhirikan province.
Hua Hin is the oldest and most traditional beach resort town. There are many attractions that visited by both foreigners and Thais.
About 100 years ago, King Rama VII had an idea to escape from the sultry metropolis of Bangkok. So he decided to come to Hua Hin for fishing. Then many nobles and upper classes people came here for vacation. Therefore, it is the start of the fame of Hua Hin.
Hua Hin has lots of attractions that suits every visitor. Besides sunbathing, snorkeling, and swimming in the beautiful clear sea. Golfing, going to spas, caves and peaks adventuring, visiting waterfalls, having delicious food in the restaurants, and shopping are there for you.
Famous attraction places in Hua Hin are Kai Kangwon Palace, Khao Takiap, Khao Tao, and Hua Hin Hill Vineyard. Visiting paradise on the land is not that hard. Hua Hin is located on the province of Prachuapkhirikan, which is 200 kilometers south of Bangkok. Therefore, going to Hua Hin is not hard at all.
Get there by car just about 2-hour drive from Bangkok. Rail system is also a good choice to get there. Moreover, planes are provided for you.
As you can see, Hua Hin is a fantastic place to go. We are sure that just one time is not enough.
And now, we are inviting you to come to Hua Hin.
Welcome to Hua Hin.
สวัสดีค่ะ